Just a short video of how much work goes into cable Damascus. These are two pieces. Both been soaked in vinegar for about 2 hours, and the bottom one I'm still hand sanding, but I had it soaking for about a half an hour in amuric acid, and you can see the difference. In both of them. But anyway, almost done. More stuff to do. Nice Scottish dirk, all done. I've got a big boy buoy. It's done. Just kind of end up with German silver on it. There it is. Here's the German silver. But it's going to have a black walnut coffin handle on it. And I'm going to try and figure out by tomorrow how to put 13 pins up and down on the sides and then sand it out. Okay, there we go.